What's up, everybody? My name is Colby Novak with Lens Wars, and yes, I know we haven't made a video in a long time. I thought we were done for a while, but we've been all over the place. We went from our studio in New Waverly, we went to Indianapolis to work with IndyCar, we came back to Houston because we thought we wanted to not do that anymore, and then we went all the way to Charlotte now to work for NASCAR and IMSA. And yes, I'm actually in my office right now. You can see our editing suite. It's kind of awesome. Really actually enjoying shooting with NASCAR and IMSA, but in this episode we're doing a new behind the scenes look of everything we do. It's called What It's Like. So in this episode we're gonna do a new thing. It's okay to be new, but we're gonna show you exactly what we did at the 2019 Mobile One 12 Hours of Sebring.
So this is actually my first time shooting with IMSA, and I'm super nervous about this whole thing. I actually don't know what to even expect. But the good news is I'm really used to traveling with my last job, so at least these airplane rides aren't that bad. And I'm really looking forward to getting a good nap. So our adventure this time is taking us all the way from Charlotte, North Carolina, all the way to Sebring International Raceway in Sebring, Florida for the Mobile One 12 Hours of Sebring. Now this is a 17-course monster, super bumpy, going to be really exciting to shoot some epic slow motion. So after a long day of traveling, we finally make it to the racetrack. Now, this is my first time to Sebring, like I said. My boss is sitting in the front seat and just keeps telling me, oh yeah, we're gonna be all right, we're gonna be all right. I swear to you, I think this racetrack is cursed. We've had so many problems. But right away, we're shooting a Michelin piece for NBC on day one. Super awesome experience. I've actually shot for NBC before, and it was really exciting to get to see some of my old colleagues from NBC on this project.
Sebring International Raceway was opened in 1942 as an airbase to train pilots for World War II. This side to show you 18 feet.
So after we get done shooting our Michelin tire tech piece, we've got to actually go to the TV compound and actually edit the damn thing. This thing is due by 4 p.m. this afternoon, and I've got to get it done, so yeah, let's do it. But this day was really meant for me to explore and shoot some really cool things with my coworkers. So this is actually at the end of the day when we had a kind of like a group drivers meeting where we got to interview a couple drivers and post it online for our fans to view and ask questions and all that fun stuff.
So I know what you're thinking. You're like, Colby, show me some behind the scenes of the race. Well, fine, let's get to it. Now, we started off super wet in the morning. It was absolutely miserable. It was drizzly, and I was like, I don't need my rain gear. It's just kind of eh. But then all hell breaks loose. Just so much rain. Actually, fun fact, my camera actually gets so wet, we have to go to a backup camera because my main cam kind of got fried because it got a little too wet. It's okay, it dried out and works fine now, but God. So let's see some of the epic B-roll and behind the scenes footage that we caught at the Mobile One 12 Hours of Sebring.